This is a dragon condom. Mostly we call it a reusable condom. Nowadays in the market, many condoms are available. But dragon condom is a reusable condom. Is dragon condom safe in protection of the pregnancy? Yes, dragon condom is safe and gives protection against the pregnancy, but not every time. Because dragon condom is a reusable condom and every time we have to wash the condom after use. So, when the condom will come in contact with the heat, the condom will be getting holes in the condom, as well as the size of the condom will be not fitted on the part. So, it will create a chances of the infection as well as it will create a chances of the pregnancy as well. For the safe and effective protection against the pregnancy and STD, that is the sexually transmitted diseases, you must use a new single-use condom for every sexual act. There are various condoms available in the market like Durex Extra Time condom, the premium Japanese condom, Score Thin Ultra Fine condom. There are many condoms available in the market and they are safe because CDC, the control and the prevention of the diseases, the CDC has explicitly warned against washing and reusing of the condom. Reusing a condom is considered misuse. It drastically reduces its protection effects and increases the risk of spreading infection. As I earlier told you, a used condom may not fit properly a second time. This can cause it to slip or break, creating a serious risk. As well as a reusable condom having the viruses and the pathogens like HIV, gonorrhea, they are the sexually transmitted diseases, can survive on the surface of a used sleeve, that is on the surface of the condom. Even after cleaning, the virus and the bacteria are impossible to remove completely without medical grade sterilization. Over time, repeated use and cleaning can cause the silicone material to break. This can lead to tear, holes or other damage that allows to exchange of the bodily fluid. For safe and effective protection against the pregnancy and STD, you must use a new single-use condom for every sexual act. And if you want to know what are the sexually transmitted diseases, how the sexually transmitted diseases are spread, I'll put the video link in the description. Please check it if you want to check. Thank you.